the Honorable Minister of Secondary Education, the Governor, the British High Commissioner, our esteemed proprietor, principal and staffs, distinguished guests, parents, and students, all protocols duly respected, I greet you all. It is with profound joy and immense gratitude that I stand before you today on this historic occasion of the school's flag ceremony. This is not just a moment to unveil a physical inscription, but an opportunity to reflect on the values, vision, and legacy that St. Mary's continues to uphold in Cameroon and in Africa. For the past months, our college has stood as a beacon of knowledge, discipline, and excellence, shaping young minds and preparing us to meet the demands of the future. We have been able to acquire skills in IT, sciences, humanities, languages, and other extracurricular activities, making us critical thinkers, problem solvers, and development of talents, paving the way for different career paths. Today's ceremony marks yet another milestone, a symbol of our unwavering commitment to educational advancement and the continuous pursuit of greatness. We are deeply honored to have among us such distinguished personalities, leaders whose dedication to education and development inspires us all. Your presence today speaks volumes about the importance of quality learning and the role it plays in shaping societies and nations. To His Excellency, the Governor, the Honorable Minister of Secondary Education, we appreciate your efforts in ensuring that education remains a priority. To the British High Commissioner, we recognize and celebrate the valuable partnerships that strengthen our institutions and offer us global perspectives. To our esteemed proprietor, we sincerely thank you for your unwavering support and vision in making St. Mary's a citadel of learning. Your commitment has given us the foundation to dream beyond boundaries and reach our highest potential. To our incredible teachers and staff who work tirelessly to nurture us academically and morally, your sacrifices do not go unnoticed. You have been our guiding lights and shaping our paths with wisdom and dedication. To my fellow students, let today serve as a reminder that we are part of something greater, a legacy of excellence, honor, and responsibility. May this day stand as a representation of our resilience, hard work, and the collective achievement of everyone who has worked the halls of this institution. As we commemorate the day, let us renew our determination to uphold the values of our great college. Let us strive to be leaders, thinkers, and change makers who contribute positively to our communities and the world at large. Once again, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all our guests who graced this occasion. May St. Mary's International College continue to thrive and inspire generations to come. Thank you, and may God bless you all.